country love ballad. I was walking through the rain alone, trying to heal a heart of stone. Then you came and took my hand, made me believe again. The days were long and nights were cold. I carry scars I never told, but your smile lit up the dark and brought me back to life. Found the pieces I had lost. Love me through the storm, no matter the cost. My love, you're the song my heart sings, the reason sunshine follows spring. You made my broken pieces whole again. My lover, my wife, my closest friend. Strongest soul I've ever seen. In your eyes I found my home, a place I'll always know. The world keeps turning day by day, but some things never fade away. And if I had one wish to keep, I'd hold you close forever. You healed the heart that once was torn and gave me reasons to carry on. My love, you're the song my heart sings, the reason sunshine follows spring. You made my broken pieces whole again. My lover, my wife, my closest friend. Forevermore. Heaven calls me someday first. No, my heart will still be yours. Beyond the stars, beyond the skies, I'll be waiting by your side. My love, you're the gift I never knew, the answer that my heart prayed through. You made my broken pieces whole again. My forever love until the end. My love, I'll ride this life with you, and in the afterlife too. The world keeps spinning, years may fly, but my love for you will never die. My